Okay, today I'm going to show you how to solve a complex number by using calculator. The question is, find the polar form of the complex number by using calculator. In the bracket is scientific. It means that how to find this complex number by using calculator. In what? In the polar form. Let us solve this number. You just say solution. After solution, you already know that from the formula of a complex number, z is equal to z is equal to x plus yi, where x represent real number and y represent imaginary number, which are the same as this number. It means x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Why? Because the coefficient of I here is 1. You just say x from the radius. If you are looking for r is equal to root of x square plus y square, where x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Because of coefficient of this one, you substitute, you have r is equal to root of 1 square plus 1 square. Is 1 square, it means 1, which is the same as 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. R is equal to root of 2. As we already know that the square root of 2 should be decimal number. Don't bother yourself to simplify it or put it in decimal form. You just leave it like this. It means r is equal to root of 2 unit. Now we're done with r. Let's go for theta. Theta, we have a formula. Tan theta is equal to x divided by y. It means that we have theta is equal to tan inverse of, we already know x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, meaning we'll have 1 divided by 1. 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse of 1. And tan inverse of 1, if you put it into scientific, this scientific, you press on. After that, you press shift. After shift, you press tan. It bring you a tan inverse. You put 1. You close your bracket, you press equal sign. It means the tan inverse of 1 is equal to 45. It means theta is equal to 45 degree. Okay, if the theta is equal to 45 degree, in the polar form, its formula is equal to z is equal to r close bracket cos theta plus sine plus I sine theta, whereby r is equal to root of 2 and theta is equal to 45. You just come and put them into their place or substitute them. Therefore, that is equal to root of 2. You open the bracket cos 45 instead of cos theta plus I sine 45 degree instead of theta. Therefore, this is the answer. Let us come, if you use the scientific calculator, now your scientific calculator, it is a normal set. But the number that you are now solving is in complex number. You set your scientific calculator in the complex number. And how will you do that? You first press shift. After shift, you press 2. This 2, it means the complex number. You press 2. If you press 2, no, before you press 2, you just press mode. After mode, you press a 2. 2, it, now the screen show the complex number. If the screen is like this one, you just enter your number. It means 1, you press 1. Plus, you press plus. And where will you get this I from? You press this one, ENG. This one, it is where I is. You press it. Now it shows us I. For you to put in the polar form, you press shift 2 and 3. After 3, you press equal sign. After equal sign, it shows you this one. This one it mean that this one it mean angle. Angle is equal to theta. It mean theta is 45. It mean angle is 45, and it mean r. Let me say it mean r is root of